Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, that is MS Excel. So the topics we are going to cover under this section are entering data into worksheet, cell addressing, range and range name. So let us talk about entering data into worksheet. You can enter either values, which are numbers and datas, or labels, that is text, into any cell within the worksheet. First one, move the cell pointer to the required cell and then type the data. While you type the data, you will notice that it appears both in the worksheet. In the example shown below, as you can see, the text appears in cell A1 and in the formula bar. Now press enter to enter the information into the cell. Your cell pointer will move down to the cell below. Now let us talk about what is cell addressing. Cell addressing is a combination of a column letter and a row number that identifies a cell on a worksheet. It is also called cell reference. The steps to edit a cell reference. Step 1 is click on the cell that contains the formula and press F2 to enter the edit mode, or double click the cell. This will highlight in each cell or range referenced by the formula with a different color. Moving on to the step 2, to change the cell address, do any of the following. Select the reference in the formula and type a new one. Then select another cell or range on the sheet. To include more or fewer cells in a reference, drag the color-coded border of the cell or range. Step 3. Press the Enter key. Finding range in MX Excel. Let us define range. A range is a single element in a worksheet that can hold a value, some text, or a formula. A cell is identified by its address, which consists of its column letter or row number. For example, cell B1 is the cell in the second column and the first row. A group of cells is called a range. Range name. Range names are names used to refer to cell references, formula results, or values. They are often used to avoid hard-coded values appearing in the formulas and to make formula clearer in general. They are stored in what is known as the Name Manager in Excel.